Well, this property has been a manufacturing plant and a junk car lot for the last 25, 30 years, as far as I was told. So when I got here, you could not see a piece of dirt. All you saw was junk cars and trailer parts and boats. So we had to do a lot of cleanup. We removed a lot of junk, and we had to prepare the grades, the fields, to a professional field quality. So we had to bring in 50 trucks worth of base and dirt to grade the field. I came across this property, actually I was looking for some warehouse space for my business, but after taking a look at the property, it just didn't quite work out with the other business. So I thought about, I went back and looked at my plans for the soccer complex and did some numbers crunching and some measurements, and decided that this could be my soccer project. One of my lifelong dreams is to build a soccer complex where kids and adults can come and play. We have programs for kids to learn, develop, train, and for the older kids, high school kids, to get them prepared for the next level, which is college level soccer. And for the ones that are not taking the college path, we want to be able to give them the opportunity and the platform to train and develop and help them go to the professional path. Dave Barlow with UltraBaseSystems. I've done research on the internet on what kind of sub-base and materials I can use for their artificial turf fields, and I came across UltraBase. And after meeting with Dave and Scott Ford and his team, they were tremendous of not just helping me, but giving me advice and tips on what not to do with the installation, because I'm obviously doing everything on my own with the help of my friends and family and crews. So Dave has been a great partner in this project. When I research about building an artificial soccer complex fields, there's several methods to do it. One is just to basically remove all existing base and bring in new sub-base and grades. The other option was to go with a base systems, and I found Dave's UltraBaseSystems, researched it, studied it, met with Dave, asked a lot of questions, which he always has the answers, and I just was sold on the functional, the safety, and just the easy of usage. So I've decided to invest in purchasing Dave's panels. They're made of high quality polymer plastic. They have drain holes that will drain the water off the field. We have a lot of rain in Florida. And they have barbs that will hold the turf in place so it doesn't move through heavy usage. And I just find that it provides many benefits to me as the owner of the facility, and to the players, more importantly to the players' safety when they're playing on the fields. Well, I hope when we're completed and have our opening, that we'll have many kids, teenagers, adults. We have co-ed leagues, so we'll look forward to see people, soccer lovers, fanatics, to come to a place that they can watch, play, relax, or even train if you're serious about playing the sport, this game, to train And that's really my passion. Is I love coaching, watching, and even still playing with, of course, some of the older guys. But we still get out there and and play and just socialize and exercise. And this has been part of my life for the last 35 years. So I'm living my dream, so to speak. Most people doesn't realize that there's an UltraBase system underneath our turf. So I try to educate them and explain to them what goes on, how we install the fields, and they were very surprised that we used the similar system that Home Depot Center uses, the Tropicana field, and some of the Ray's training facility. So they were very impressed after finding out that we have the UltraBase system underneath our turf. So I always recommend to the UltraBase system because I can see how it's holding up. We inspect the fields every day, making sure that it's holding itself, is maintained and in a playing condition. So we, actually one of, there goes a ball. I have spoken with two companies that are looking to start a similar facility, and I highly recommend them to look into the UltraBase system to install their facility.
The UltraBase system under here is a very solid surface to play on. It's great, it catches the turf well, got a nice little bounce to it, and there's not, it doesn't pick up anywhere. Everybody I haven't seen anybody slip or do anything like that. Obviously if you wear the wrong shoes, yeah, but this is great. I mean, they got the barbed wire that catches the turf, like I said, and it's just awesome. It's quick, it's fast, it's great for your touches. BT Sports Academy is the way to go. It's a sick place to play. Come on out.